Hey guys, this is the Toy Genie here, and today we have something so exciting. We have the So Cool Fridge, you guys. This is so awesome and it was so hard to get. But you know what? I got one for one of you guys. I chose to give this to Mel Ray, and she said, "Love your channel and I'm dying to get season 2 Shopkins, but I can't find them anywhere. I am a Shopkins lover. I spent all my allowance on season 1 and I have no luck for season 2. I shared your channel with everyone I know and I can't stop watching your channel. It is so amusing and I can't stop watching your channel because of you. Please do as many season 2 vids as you can." Thank you so much, Mel Ray, for sharing my video with everyone that you know, and I want to let you know that this So Cool Fridge is yours, plus 3 Shopkins Season 2 blind baskets. So you have until December 26, 2014, that's the day after Christmas, to get back to me. And if you're under the age of 18, be sure to have your parents contact me and let me know that it's okay for me to send it to you, okay? And also, the last person that I chose to give the Mega Pack to did not respond, so sorry, I'm gonna have to give this to somebody else, and I chose Aida Centeno. I hope I pronounced your last name correctly. And she said, "Hope to win the Mega Pack for my daughter." So here it is for your daughter. Get back to me, Aida Centeno. So you have until December 26, 2014, that's the day after Christmas, to get back to me and let me know where to send it to, okay? Now let's get started on opening this set. I am so super duper excited, you guys. Here it is. So let's take a look at what's on the box. It shows that it's gonna come with over 35 stickers. That is so exciting. I've been waiting for Shopkins stickers because then you can put it like on your storage case or anything that you want, your binders, your little folders, or your lunchbox, or anything. And in the back here it says the contents. It has 1 playset, 2 exclusive Shopkins, 6 mini Shopkins, 2 Shopkins bags, 2 sticker sheets, and 1 cup. So I can't wait to open this setup. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh! Okay, so the first 2 things is you get these 2 shopping bags, which comes in all the 5 packs, the 12 packs. It comes in pretty much everything except for the blind baskets, which is really cool. Then you get a cup, and you get 2 sticker sheets, which is super cool. Look at all the stickers that are on here. It even has like a shopping list. It's a bunch of scribbles, but it's still really cute. And there's a checklist too. Look at that. So cool. And then you get these 2 exclusive Shopkins, and this one looks like it's a soda. It's a 2-liter bottle of soda. What is this? Like Sprite lemon soda? And then this one looks like it's Yoshi. A strawberry, maybe a strawberry banana Yoshi. It's got some strawberries on there, and of course a spoon. And then, ta-da! We have the refrigerator, and it's got these cute little eggs in here, and I think this is what they mean when they were talking on the box about Mini Shopkins. You got 6 tiny little eggs, and oh my gosh, look at their faces. They have different expressions. So this one's like, oh ha ha ha, and this one's like, yeah, and this one's like, oh, I'm just too tired, I just need to go to sleep. And then this one's like, me, and this one's like, oh, and this one's just like, yeah, I'm just chilling. Look at that, and it's like a teeter-totter. It goes tick 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 tick. This one's like, whoa, this feels kind of funky. So those are super cute. They're so tiny and they feel rubbery. They're a little bit more rubbery than the actual Shopkins, I think. Kind of like a little bit of a give when you squeeze them. And then here's 3 shelves and a drawer. And then look at this. What do you think you need to put here? Of course, we need a Cool Cube. And that's what this is for. Nah, that's not gonna fit in there. Yay, Cool Cube. Let's open you up and see what's inside. What do you guys think is inside here? An egg. It's a Cool Cube. Here's the green Cool Cube. And Cool Cube is an ice cube, of course. And you can put him right there. And then you put the cup there and you push in. Ta-da! And Cool Cube falls right into the cup, you guys. Look at that. Let's see that again. This is so cool, you guys. That is so awesome. So you guys think we should stock the fridge? Yeah, let's do that. Let's stock it with a Googie and some Flava Ava, Moo, Coolio, because we have to have some cold water if we're gonna have some ice cubes, right? And spilt milk. We'll put these on the door. This is such a cool set, you guys. And then for inside the fridge, let's put this soda here. I wonder if it has a name. And then we'll put soda pops right in front of it. Right there. And then let's put Melanie Pips. Have some yummy watermelon. And Rock and Brock. And Juicy Orange. And Corny Cob. Come on, Corny Cob. Gotta go in. Oh no, Rock and Brock, don't fall. There we go. And then let's put Fifi Fruit Tart on the next level. And Margarina. Mary Meringue. Cheesy. Wobbles. And Wishes. And for the bottom level, let's put Chloe Flower. Pecan Pie. Miss Mushy Moo. Posh Pear. Delish Donut. And Chocolava. So I put 6 on each level. You can actually, if you're just going to use it for display, you can probably put 9 down here. But the thing is, if you put 9 down there, you will not be able to close the door tightly because it kind of sits, this door needs a little bit of space there to close. So I put 4 here and then 6 on each of the levels there. And then let's stock this bottom drawer. Let's put Cheesecake and the Yoshi that comes with the set. Let's put Gertie in there. I like to freeze my yogurts in the summer and it tastes really good slushy. Here is Snow Crush, Popsicle. Here's another Yoshi. Strawberry Kiss. And let's put bread head in here. I have so many bread heads. So this bottom drawer will actually fit 8, which is really cool. So this entire refrigerator can fit more than 30 Shopkins inside, which is really cool. And now let's put some stickers on, you guys. So let's close it up. I'm gonna put a shopping list on the front of the refrigerator. And there you have it, stickers on the So Cool Fridge, you guys. And this So Cool Fridge really is so cool. That is so awesome. I think it's so awesome to have this playset, to have somewhere fun to place all of your cool Shopkins in. So let me know, guys, which part is your favorite part of this playset? My favorite part is this freezer here. I absolutely love the freezer. This mechanism is just so cool. I could just do this all day. Look at that. Well guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned to see a lot more awesome Shopkins right here with a Toy Genie. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be happy and keep smiling.